Hey, what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com. It's dyno day. The car we're dynoing today is John Raspberry's 2021 Mustang GT. He recently picked up this car at the time of this video. And as you see it, all the performance modifications related to the dyno, all stock except for a Resonator Elite and a 20-inch SVE CFX wheel. This is a performance pack car, so it has the 373 Torsen rear differential, stock exhaust, catalytic converters, MC82, so the pulls can be made in 4th gear, which is 1-to-1. And I believe John told me whenever he stopped this morning, the gas station had 91 octane. So that's the fuel we got in the tank. Pretty simple one for you today. These Gen 3s are pretty impressive in stock form, so about to see if it can back those claims up. Make a quick trip around the car, make sure we're good to go, and we'll turn the rollers. All right, people, let's go ahead and take a look at some results. In case I failed to mention, the Gen 3 Coyotes were rated at 460 horsepower, 420 pound-feet of torque at the flywheel. The 4th gear pull, John Raspberry's car made an impressive 416.6 horsepower at 6,900 RPM and 389.8 pound-feet of torque at 4,700 RPM. Take a little bit closer look at the graph. Yes, that did make peak power at 6,900 RPM. That's where we hit the speed limiter at 150 mile an hour. If we could have carried it through the entire RPM range, yes, we probably would have made just a little bit more horsepower. And just because we like the data, we dropped the gear to 3rd and didn't make any more power or torque at all, just to kind of clear the air on the RPM range. So right on the money for a Gen 3 Coyote, the MT82. I know John's probably got some plans for the car. I mean, let's be honest, we're car people. Most of us can't leave anything alone. So hope y'all found value in this one. If you did, like the video, subscribe to our channel, turn on notifications. That way you don't miss any of our future uploads. And until we see you in the next dyno video, y'all know what to do for all things S550 Mustang. Keep it right here at the Real Enthusiasts, LMR.com.